Ever wondered how the sleek plastic parts in your car, from dashboards to bumpers, are made with such precision and strength? It's all thanks to a fascinating process called Automotive Plastic Injection Molding. So, what exactly is automotive plastic injection molding? In simple terms, it's a manufacturing process where molten plastic is injected into a mold to create parts. In the automotive world, this means producing components like bumpers, dashboards, grills, air vents, door panels, light housings, and even engine parts. It's a fast and precise method, perfect for mass production. Imagine pressing print on a 3D printer, but for thousands of parts every hour. Now, let's break down how this process works into 4 key steps. First up is clamping. The mold, typically made of steel or aluminum, consists of 2 halves that clamp together tightly. Think of it like a sandwich press, preparing for the injection. Next comes the injection step. Plastic pellets are heated until they melt, usually between 200 degrees to 300 degrees, and then injected into the mold cavity under high pressure. This is where the magic happens. Once the mold is filled, we move to the cooling phase. The plastic solidifies into its final shape in just seconds. Finally, we have the ejection step. The mold opens and ejector pins push the finished part out, which then drops onto a conveyor for trimming or painting. So, why do car manufacturers love this process? For starters, it allows for mass production, meaning thousands of identical parts can be made quickly. Plus, plastic parts are lightweight, which reduces the car's overall weight and improves fuel efficiency. The design flexibility is another huge advantage. Complex shapes and textures? No problem. It's also cost-effective. Once the mold is created, the cost per part is incredibly low. And let's not forget consistency. Each part is virtually identical, ensuring quality control. Now, not all plastics are created equal. Different parts require different materials. For example, ABS, or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, is durable and often used for dashboards and trims. Polypropylene is lightweight and resistant to chemicals, making it ideal for bumpers and carpet fibers. Polycarbonate is super strong and transparent, perfect for headlamp lenses, while nylon is used for under-the-hood components like gear housings. Let's take a quick tour of a car to spot some molded parts. The dashboard is usually molded in one large piece, designed for both strength and aesthetics. The bumper is molded to absorb impact while maintaining its design. Air vents and consoles are crafted for precision and smooth operation, and exterior trim pieces are often chrome-look plastic strips that are molded and coated. Before any part goes into production, it undergoes rigorous design and testing. Engineers use CAD or computer-aided design to model each part and run simulations to check for warping under heat, cracking under pressure, and ensuring a snug fit with other components. Once approved, a prototype is often 3D printed. After testing, a full steel mold is created, which can cost thousands of dollars but can produce millions of parts. Now, you might be wondering, is this process eco-friendly? Surprisingly, yes. While plastic often gets a bad rap, automotive injection molding can be quite sustainable. Many parts are made from recycled or recyclable materials, and the process itself is very efficient. Scraps are minimal and often reused. Plus, lighter cars mean less fuel use, which translates to lower emissions. Electric vehicles, or EVs, also rely heavily on plastic parts to extend their range and efficiency. Modern factories are highly automated, with robots handling everything from injection to trimming and even quality checks. Sensors monitor pressure, temperature, and part quality in real time, ensuring that each bumper or dashboard is just right. Welcome to Industry 4.0, where smart machines and AI improve efficiency and reduce defects. Looking ahead, what's next for automotive injection molding? We might see the rise of bioplastics, plant-based plastics for even greener cars. Smarter materials could emerge, like plastics that change color, self-heal, or absorb sound. We can expect faster prototyping through 3D printing integration for quick testing, and AI-powered design will optimize molds using generative design techniques. From the sleek dashboard to the rugged bumper, plastic injection molding shapes the cars we drive every day. It's fast, efficient, and here to stay. Next time you're in a car, take a moment to appreciate the science and engineering molded into every detail.
Looking for plastic injection molding companies near you? Choose Mouldible, where innovation meets precision. Let us help you bring your product vision to life. Get in touch with Mouldible today. 24/7 support awaits you on WhatsApp, WeChat, and email. Visit us at number 96-1 Chichian Road, Dongcheng Town, Nansha District, Guangzhou, Guangdong, 511453. China website www.moldable.com. Email roccolee@longjiang-ltd.com. Moldable, molding the future, one product at a time.